Tomorrow, on 2nd of May 2025, we have fixed a massive review meeting at the State University campus Tura on the functioning infrastructure deficiency, suppose in water, the road, the internet, the stuff, the water at all level. And we have called a meeting tomorrow at Tura, the university campus itself, with all the officials from the department, also some MLAs, and also the VC and others, faculty members of the State University, because we want to start all the departments, not all, about the humanities first, is from this academic season, maybe in the August 2025.
There has been some problem with the acquiring land for the Shillong campus of Williamson.
It is not the finalized. The education department was supposed to use a business complex for the State University Shillong campus. However, as the process go on, the claim of ownership has become dispute today. So Northeastern Hill University, if I remember wrong, they have went to the Honorable High Court to not to defend themselves as they are the rightful ownership of the business complex since the inception. So that is the matter in the court now. So let the court decide, because we were planning to use a business complex as a Shillong campus of the State University, so that we can start at the earliest. However, and of course, this is not yet finalized, but we are looking all options where we can start at this university. Yeah, that's all.
So you are exploring other options also.
Correct.
So can you
It
give
is
us?
not only the business complex. We have already in touch with the urban affairs department to allow the land for the State University on that side, Mongdang side, and but however, for the temporary arrangement, we are looking for some buildings, some campus for immediate start of the Shillong campus at the earliest.
So when by when get it up and
No,
running?
this may not be immediately, but allow us to do the process first. Lot of things to be done, but unless we were trying to start office first at the immediately, but since all this hurdle happens, so but definitely we are keeping our all option. We are finding out the solution. We are finding out a way where we can start the office, and we will having a pro BC for the Shillong campus, and other required officials will be sitting in the Shillong campus. Absent, there was only 20 or 10 to 20 students who got a letter marks in hardly in any subject. So I thought, why should I motivate them? Why should I just give some kind of token of love, a gesture to them? Therefore, I have announced them. If any students from Rongwara Siju constituency, as long as I continue to become your MLA, study hard. If you come out with in the top 10 list, I will give you admission in any institutions in the country. But for me, but nobody come out till now. It is a fourth year for me. So I have been doing this from since 2022. So during 2022, there was only 10 to 20 students who got a letter mark. I promised them to give 5,000 for every letter marks. And initially, it was only 20 numbers. But in the years goes by, today they have motivated well and they have received it well, and they take it as a challenge. But yesterday, I have finished my fourth year distribution of my cash award to my students. This year, I have got 178 students. They have received letter marks. They have got letter marks, and many has got in science and mathematics. This for the first time in my history of Rongwara Siju. Many of my students got 93, 94, 90 above in mathematics and in science. They have really encouraged. I'm so impressed. I'm so excited. So despite it's challenging for me as a financially, but I have to give them to my pocket. So this is my fourth year. So yesterday I have to spend about 16 lakhs to give cash award to all my students belonging to Rongwara Siju constituency. 5,000 for each letter marks. Some students got 20,000, some have 10,000, some got 5,000, some got 25,000. So like this. So this is really motivated. But of course, I'm expecting a rise in coming years. But still, this is my challenge that I will continue to do so as long as I, I still become the MLA of the Rogora season. That's my challenge to my students, and I will continue to do that.